In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom font to ClickFunnels. Adding a custom font is a simple way to keep your funnels on brand and make your pages feel polished and consistent. Before we start, make sure you have the font file saved on your computer and that you have the right to use it. Common file types include TTF, OTF, and WOF. If you have multiple styles, like regular, bold, or italic, keep the files clearly labeled so you can identify them easily. Begin by heading to your ClickFunnels dashboard. This is the main hub you see after signing in, where you can access all of your workspaces and assets. From here, look to the bottom left and click Workspace Settings. This takes you to the control center for your workspace, where you manage things like integrations, assets, and other configuration options that affect everything you build. In the sidebar, select My Assets. This section is where ClickFunnels stores files you upload to your workspace, such as images, fonts, and other branding elements. Organizing assets here helps keep your team consistent and saves time when you're building pages later. Next, click the Fonts tab. This is the dedicated area for managing font files. You'll see any fonts that have already been added, along with their names and statuses. Keeping your font library tidy here makes it easier to maintain a cohesive visual style. Click Upload Font. This opens a file chooser so you can select your font from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your font file is saved and choose the file you want to upload. If you're not sure which file to pick, look for the one that matches the style you plan to use first, like regular or bold, and confirm the file extension is supported. After selecting the file, enter a clear, descriptive name for the font. For example, you might type something like Brand Serif Bold. This label is what you'll recognize later when choosing fonts in your projects, so be specific about the family and weight to avoid confusion. Finally, click Create Font to finish. ClickFunnels will process the upload and add the font to your workspace. If you see a brief loading indicator, that's normal. Once it's done, the font should appear in your fonts list and be available wherever fonts can be selected across your workspace. If an upload doesn't go through, double-check the file type and size and make sure the font isn't open in another program on your computer. That's it. Your custom font is now part of your ClickFunnels toolkit, ready to support your brand across your funnels.